Hello friends, today I am going to talk about the menstrual issues faced by the women. As all of you know, the issues faced by the women like headache, back pain, leg cramps, menstrual cramps and the irritability due to excessive bleeding. The sanitary napkin which are available in the market doesn't promise you the diagnosis of all the issues. But our company has launched this product named as Ladyfly. After using this product, we can promise you the diagnosis of all the issues faced by the women.
Hello friends, I am Mr. Ashok Kale. Now we see the all branded market sanitary napkin, and this is the our company sanitary napkin Ladyfly. Now we see the live demo of our company's sanitary napkin which are better than the market sanitary napkin. Here there is a two sanitary napkins from markets, and we take the our sanitary napkin in middle. This is our company's Ladyfly sanitary napkin, and we see that the surface of this napkin is very smooth, and the market sanitary napkin surface is rough and it is made by nylon or plastic. When we rub this on the surface of market sanitary napkin, our fingerprint becomes hot, and then we look at our company's sanitary napkin and rub on this surface. It is very smooth and no fingerprints becomes hits. Now here is a plastic syringe, and we take a liquid test of the market sanitary napkin and also our company's sanitary napkin. I take a 50 ml colored water in a syringe, and this 50 ml water pour on the our sanitary napkin which is named as Ladyfly. Totally 50 ml water pour on this napkin. We see that total water is absorbed. Now I will take another 50 ml colored water in syringe, and this 50 ml syringe water pour on the market sanitary napkin. We observe that this sanitary napkin is not properly absorb the water. The absorption capacity of the market sanitary napkin is not proper. We see this napkin also not a properly absorption capacity. We pour 50 ml water of each sanitary napkin. This is market sanitary napkin. Middle napkin is our company's Ladyfly napkin, and other is market's company sanitary napkin which is purchased from the market. And now we see the paper test. We put the paper on this market sanitary napkin and press it slowly. So we see total colored water absorb the paper, so it has no properly absorption capacity of this market sanitary napkin. Put the paper on this market sanitary napkin and press it slowly. We also see that it has no absorption capacity of this sanitary napkin. Total water is on the paper. And now we take the paper and put the paper on our company's Ladyfly sanitary napkin and press it slowly. Our company's sanitary napkin have a totally 100% absorption capacity and not a single drop on this paper. We see it is a totally clean and dry paper. So our company's sanitary napkin is excellently absorption capacity and very satisfactorily sanitary napkin. So it is confirmed by the paper test. Lady Flash sanitary napkin is the best sanitary napkin and it is a good for women's health.
Now you have understood that this product is 100% satisfactory. So we request you to please use it and refer it to your friends and beloved one and live a healthy and happy life.